Hello everyone, this video is made with regard to an earning app HPZ token. This application is very useful for me and I hope this will be useful for you too. So just try it. First let me log in. After login, you will first get to know about company and there you go for personal. Um, there Okay, first let me speak about the equipments which are available. These are the equipments which are available in this website. Your work is just to, after login, you have to buy any one of these. I prefer HPZ K580 because it's the lowest one. So 580 I can, you will get it back within 20 days after, before the lease period actually. Yeah, you can see there per day you can earn 29 rupees and for 45 days you will earn 1305. You have to first contract and then hire the equipment. Before hiring actually you should recharge. Okay, let me show the recharge part. You can see there recharge and withdrawal. See, this is my earning. My balance is now 1630. My total withdrawal is, you can see, it's 9879 and my total assets is 6132. Let me show you my team count. My team, I have invite code 46, like my first subordinates and second level subordinate and third level subordinates. These are the number of equipments they have activated. And coming to inviting, you have to share your link with your friends. I mean, in WhatsApp group or Facebook or Insta, anywhere. And when they activate the equipment, you will get more rewards. And you just see my withdrawals. Yeah, I told you 4% is tax. Look at my withdrawals. These are my withdrawals. I just started on May 20th and it's been 1 month and my profit is 9,000. When I started there was equipment of rupees 337 and these are the modes of recharge. You can use any of them. It's very easy. Recharge part I'll tell you when you register. You just comment below my video. I'll get to know who has registered and then I'll provide you with my WhatsApp number. You can text me on that and I'll guide you how to activate. See, these are my equipments which I have bought. Now you can activate HPZ K580, which is the lowest one, and you get 29 rupees per day for 45 days. Let me receive my equipments. Every day you have to go to my machine and receive this, otherwise you won't get your income. It should be done manually. Yeah, just wait. Yeah, you can see today's earning is 24 rupees. Let me refresh. It's now 344 rupees. Now that was my equipment commission. These are reward code. Like you will have a WhatsApp group after you activate the equipment. There you will be getting reward codes, like random reward code, and after you invite someone you will get reward for that also. And once your friend join and activate the equipment successfully until their lease period expire, you'll be getting team commission. That's really helpful. This, and it will help you to earn more and you can buy more equipments with that only. I have done that. Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video as much as possible. Help your friends earn. Thank you.